want to talk to you today about the opportunities that we create and the risks that we get involved when we buy a property or a house in Pensacola area or surrounding cities. Hi, my name is Kamal with Quality Properties. We buy houses in Scambia, Santa Rosa, Okaloosa, and Walton County. We buy houses cash and we can close within less than 2 weeks in any condition and any situation. Uh, so some of the opportunities that we create here locally, we hire all local contractors. We create opportunities by hiring people like roofers, plumbers, electricians, painters, uh, landscapers, just name it. Anything we don't, I normally don't do the work myself because I am investor and I have my investment company here. So I don't have the time really to access to a lot of times to do the work myself. So we kind of hire people here locally to not only because we don't have the time to create job opportunities for a lot of people who are actually specialized in that field. So it's a win-win situation for everyone. Something else that I like to mention here, when we buy a property or a house, we not only buying the property or the house, we also buy a risk that comes with it too. And the reason why, because somebody might say, okay, the market now is good and you could sell it for a profit. Yes. What if the market went down a few months from now? Projects could take up to 6 months sometimes if it's a big project, and it all depends on the contractors and their time frame too. So you kind of obligated with them on their timeline as well, not only on my timeline. So there's no, I don't know anybody that had a deadline on a project and finish on that deadline because they are obligated with other contractors to help them out in that project, and they have their own obligations. So we don't know. The market is good now. We are almost in the end of 2021, and next year could be something else like we had in 2008. Is it going to be a crash? It probably not. It might, but everybody talking about there's a pullback on the real estate market. While we have a few projects, we still working on. We're not going to be done by end of this year on few of them that we already have. So yeah, we buy a risk with it because we don't know what the market would be tomorrow. No one knows. There's a prediction that the market will go back down. Hopefully not. Hopefully everybody wins. But it's a risk that we buy, and we not overlooking that. And here also, we here to stay. We're not here to go anywhere. Like back in 2008, when we had the recession, everybody was running for covers, from developers to investors giving away properties that they got loans on them, and homeowners going foreclosures, and even banks were running for covers. We buy houses cash in the area. We're not looking to get a loan from anyone. So we looking to execute on every transaction that we take, and we take a full responsibility on the houses that we buy, and full risk without getting any loans or any of that, to make it easier on both of us, us as investors, that we don't wait for a loan or a lender to qualify us for a loan. We got the money. Some investors and developers, we start seeing some of them have a padlock on their pockets now because they not sure what the market going to be tomorrow. Nor do I don't know what the market going to be tomorrow, but I got my pockets wide open, so I'm looking to buy more houses. My name is Kamal with Quality Properties. We buy houses in Scambia, Santa Rosa, Okaloosa, and Walton County. Please give me a call if you have something that you want to sell. My phone number is 850-346-4995. Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.